Everyone, again welcome back to our channel, and today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can update your Spotify app, and it's in a really easy method. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and do share this video with your friends and family. And yeah, let's get into it. First thing that you have to do is go to your Play Store, or if you are an iPhone user, you will just go to your App Store. Now I'm in my Play Store for Android phone. Then you can just type in Spotify. As you can see, my app needs to be updated. So there is an simply tap on that app. That app is installed, but it needs to be updated. So simply tap on the update option, and yeah, once the app is updated, then you will finally see this option called open. So yeah, and that's how your app will be updated. So let me again go to my Play Store and then again search Spotify, and then now you can see before I had an option called update, now I don't have. Now I have an option called open. So that's how you can know your app is updated. And yeah, this is it for today's video. I hope this video has helped you so far. Please do make sure to leave comments below, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.